So last class we discussed about right how to what is provider and so what is resource tag, what is resource black, what is provider black. I must paint what is must paint. Huh? Okay. So last class right provider. So provider is the one black. So mostly we are using, so we are seeing provider block and resource block. Resource means if you want to create any resource in AWS, we are using a resource tag only. One is provider, so another one is resource tag. So under provider, we are giving provider name, which cloud you want to connect and all right. So that and all we are adding. This is the AWS provider. I am connecting AWS and same a resource name, and this is our local name, and we are giving some name whichever you want, we can add. This is the actual. For example, if you want to create subnet VPC, so AWS underscore VPC, and here we can give any name, that is my VPC some name. This is our local name. And what are the mandatory fields? Yesterday we seen, right? CA block and all. So that is the mandatory, right? So that is okay. Now these are the yesterday we mostly discussed, right? Today we'll see so continuation how it will work. So where I created yesterday, go to here, go to C drive, and so Terraform class, and just so this is the path, right? CMD and DER, CMD, control plus. Okay, DER and notepad. What is yesterday I created? So test VPC, test underscore VPC, test underscore VPC. This is the file yesterday we created, right? So this is the file, and this is the tag name. This is the provider AWS, and we are using access key and secret key. And this is the resource. Which resource I am going to create a VPC. This is my local name, and this is a black, and this is not this one, right? Which one I created yesterday? Where is this path? PMD. Yesterday where I created. Okay. Error. Terraform APC state file VPC. I think this is the notepad. Not here. I think batch, right? Not here. This is the July Terraform. This is actual our folder, not that one. So CMD. Okay. So now control plus command join. Okay. Now notepad and open a file. So dev provider. Yesterday I created one name. So dev provider. So this is the yesterday I created provider name, and this is the region, and which region you want to create AP south 1, and this is the resource, and this is the resource name. This is our local name. This is CACR block. This is the tag name. So if you want to add tag to your VPC, that case we can add. And we can add, if you want to, we can add multiple tags also. Multiple tags also. So anyone, any doubt here? Now I am going to add one subnet. So now VPC is ready. So under this VPC, I want to create one subnet. First manually how we are creating subnet, guys. So if you go to here, if you go to VPC, if you go to VPC, so under this VPC, if you want to create subnet, so this is the VPC, right? Where the VPC is available. Right now I don't have any VPC. Now I'm going to run my script. So Terraform validate. So Terraform validate means it is checking syntax errors and all. So if we have any and all errors and all. Now I'm using success and Terraform plan. Plan. Now I'm going to use Terraform apply. So now it will going to create one VPC. So under that VPC I'm going to create one subnet. How to create subnet and all. What is this? Retrieving. Yesterday we are using some credential, right? That is not working. We need to use a new credential. So how to generate that one? Go to IAM. And what is my username? This is my root user. Go to users and so go to users and go to say. Don't go for users direct. Root account access. Root account. I'm copying that one only. So where is security? Create. Okay. Just I'm creating. Just I'm downloading my access key and secret key. That's it. Okay. So this is my access key and this is my secret key. Now else we need to directly copy here and we need to use, or we can use so configure also. Directly we can configure. Yesterday I used access underscore key, right? So if you want to use access underscore key and so this is the key and secret underscore key. So this is the one way, or else directly we can configure profile also. Secret underscore key. So what is my access key? So this is here, right? Copy this one and go to here, just paste it. Next, this is my secret key. Just copy. But real time mostly we are using so some profiles and all. We'll see how to create and all. Just copy, save, and so Terraform plan. So Terraform plan. So if you want to see where these credentials, already we are using AWS, right? So in our local machine also we can see somewhere. Now see here, 1 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Now I am using so Terraform apply. Apply means actual resource will be created. Apply means actual resource will be created. So as of now VPC is not at creator. See here, if you want to check it we can see. If you use apply only, so your actual resource will be created. So plan means just we are seeing what are the resource going to create and what is your plan, and that and all we see. Right now I don't have. Now I am using apply. Now only it will going to create actual resource. Terraform apply. So 1 to add means, so here I added some, right, VPC. That VPC will create now. Now yes, if you want to you can guess, or if you don't want, no. Anyway, I want to create VPC. Now see here, VPC is created. Now go to your AWS, just click on refresh it. That's it. Okay. So now see here, VPC is created. What is my IP? 10.0.0.10. Now I want to create one subnet. So how to create subnet, guys? So if you want to create subnet, VPC is mandatory or not? If you want to create subnet, where we are going to create subnet? If you click on subnet, if you click on create subnet, first it is asking VPC, right? Now got it. Under which VPC we need to create subnet? We need to select the subnet. Under my VPC subnet or default VPC? I hope you got it, right? If you want to create any subnet, so without VPC can you create subnet? No, right? So without create subnet. Same way, that is the reason just now I created one VPC. Now we are selecting your VPC. Under VPC we are giving subnet name and we are giving so that CA serial block and all. This is the manual process. And same thing, so we are going to select that region and all. Same thing I am going to create. If you want to create any subnet, same thing I am going to implement here. Manually, if you know manually, we can easily implement in Terraform script. Okay. So now first we need VPC. First I am going to write a hard coding, then we can change it. Now we need to add one more resource. Now see here, ROURC resource, and we need subnet, right? So just go to here, copy and paste syntax. AWS subnet Terraform. If we click on what is this name, AWS underscore subnet. See here, AWS underscore subnet, and this is the your local name. We can give anything. Now I am giving same thing only, or we can same. So AWS underscore subnet, AWS underscore subnet, and I am giving so for example my subnet one, dev subnet one. So dev apps subnet 1. Just I am giving any name, that is your wish. Any name we can give on this. So now I am trying to give so CICR black. Okay, CIDR underscore black. I am giving. So now here what is the VPC IP range? This one. Now tell me subnet IP range 10 dot. Which range? I need to give it 16 or more. Hello? Got on that? You know, right, how to clear. Here my IP range is a VPC IP range. I am passing this one. This IP range is 10.0.0./16. If you want to give subnet IP range, we have to give 16 or more. Here we are giving, right, 10 dot 10 dot. I am giving some 24. You know, right, how many host missions we can create and we can check it. Right, 256 IPs we can assign. 256 IPs we can assign. Same thing I added. Now, so just control S, save, and I am running it. So Terraform, just I am giving validate, Terraform validate. Now we are getting one error. So I created subnet, but did I select any VPC? See here, the argument VPC ID is required, but no definition was found. So if you want to create subnet, what is mandatory? VPC is mandatory. Now I am adding, so right now I am adding hard coding, later I am calling it. So how can I add it? So VPC underscore ID, correct only, right? What is this? How to call it? Now go to here, VPC underscore ID, that's it. So this is the VPC underscore ID equal to, I am using by default a subnet ID. I am using a by default subnet ID. What is my subnet? Sorry, VPC ID. Already VP is available, right? What is my VPC ID? So this is my VPC ID. Now go to VPC. Just now I am giving hard coding. Later we'll say this is the ID. Copy this ID. This is the VPC ID. Copy this VPC ID and go to here. Just paste it. That's it. Okay. See my VPC ID. This is my VPC ID. Now I am giving hard coding and later I will change it. I copy and paste it. Now try it. CIDR. Okay. C last line. CIDR underscore black one, right? Typo error. Okay. Typo error. Okay. CIDR underscore black. Okay, that's it. Save it. Now this is my VPC ID. Under VPC, I am going to create subnet. So now go to here. Just run Terraform validate. So now see here one block and also unexpected. This is the error. See here unsupport arguments. Now validation is success. Now Terraform plan. Now we are going to give some plan. So already VPC is available. Now check it here. How many add, how many changes, how many destroy. Now you can see refresh. See add only one. So which one added? So again it is going to create VPC or it won't create. Anyone guess it? Now see here, refreshing state. Already ID is available. Now Terraform user selected a provider and generate, and Terraform will perform only subnet. Now see here, develop subnet will be create. Develop subnet will be create. And so what is the, this is your CI/CD block, remaining same only. This is my VPC ID. This is the existing VPC ID. It won't create, only one to add. Now got it? Now see, Terraform apply. So Terraform apply means now it will going to add one. Which one it is going to add, guys? VPC or subnet? One to add means only subnet. Only subnet. Why my speaker is not on? Only subnet. That's it. Now see here. So done. Done. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now subnet is created. Now what is problem? Creating
Subnet CID or blockchain is incorrect.
correct. Okay.
See,
Now
there
this
is a
is right.
filter in code. Yeah, now you are.
Okay. Now it's also working, right? Now go to here. Just apply. Actually, VPC I given 10.0.0. Right. Now I have given subnet 10.0. Now yes. Now done, right. Now VPC is created. Now see here, one is added. Now go and check it whether VPC is created or not. VPC is already available. You need to check only subnet. So just refresh it. So what is our IP range? Now here also we can check it. See here, VPC underscore. This is my VPC. Under VPC, this is the subnet. This is the subnet. I want to add tag for this subnet. How to add tag? So we need to tags AGS tags equal to. So this is the syntax. And here we can add so name equal to. So which one you want? So mice DevApps DevApps subnet underscore sub1. Just I am giving so subnet 1. That's it. Now control S save. Now go to here. Now check it. So now plan. Now what's the plan? It is going to add or it will going to change. Anyone guess it? Change or add? Now see, right? Change.
Change.
Change means just I am adding only tag name. I am not going to actual resource. Only tag name. Now Terraform. Now apply. Now it is going to update. So instead of typing every time SSS, so we can use auto approve also. I don't want to give every time S, and so that case we can use. So instead of giving S here, see, right? It is asking confirmation. If you don't want, we can use auto approve. See here, auto approve. Now go to here. Now just refresh it. Now check if the tag is updated or not. Now see here, DevApps hyphen subnet 1. This is the tag I updated. So anyone, any doubt how to create a VPC and how to create subnet? So through Terraform, manually you know how to create. Now just we tried, so how to add it. Now if you want to add one more subnet, also, we can add it same. So for example, I want one more subnet, copy and paste it. See here how it will work. Copy and paste it. And so this is the DevOps subnet 2 and VPC same only. And I am using here 20. I am using IP range is 20 and this is the subnet 2. That's it. I hope you got it right. I need one more subnet. I need one more subnet and same under same VPC only. Suppose if you don't want here, if you want to different VPC, that case we can change it. So that case we can change it. Now see here, control S. I am adding one more subnet. Now if I run plan means, so what is the, how many changes, how many add? Anyone? So if I run plan Terraform, if I run plan means how many changes, how many added. Already some VPC available, already one subnet also available. Just added only one new extra subnet, right? Now this is add or this is change.
And
Something missing. Terraform subnet, AWS subnet, something double quotation. It is
One
started
closing brace is missing.
where it is missing.
See, upper one closed. Upper one you missed something.
Okay, okay. Here,
Upper subnet.
correct. Here started, here it is ended, here is started, it is ended. Now got it. They have subnet to here.
It is okay.
Now it is okay. So now it is started, it is ended, started, ended, it started, ended, it started, ended. So that's it. Count. Okay. Now go to here. Terraform plan. Now what is this? Only change equal to 1. Change means already VPC available. One subnet is available. See here refreshed. Only, sorry, not change, add, right? Already one VPC available, one subnet available. Extra added one more subnet. So that one only. Now finally Terraform apply. Instead of providing every time it is asking confirmation, right? Hyphen auto approve. Got it? Now it won't ask any confirmation. So hyphen auto approve. Hyphen auto approve or hyphen auto correct only. Okay. Now see here.
Single IP.
It won't ask anything. It won't ask anything, any confirmation. So if you don't want added one, go to here and just refresh it. Now refresh it. Just refresh it. Now we can see one more subnet also created. One more subnet also created. I hope you got it right. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? It is very simple only. I am not writing more. This is only how to add that and all. Now, so how to create a security group? Now, anyone any doubt, guys here? So everything, if you want to more, just see here already they given what is so AWS subnet, how it will work. So see here everything they are providing. What is CSR black and so VPC. And if you want to call dynamically, right? So now doubt is this is a hard coding, right? I don't want a hard coding. So how to call? Already VPC is available. Now I need to call that one. So instead of giving hard coding, I am giving like this. So how we are passing? Now tell me, what is my VPC? First resource name. This is AWS underscore VPC dot DevOps dot VPC dot and we have ID, right? We need to call that ID. Now copy same thing. If we have confusion, copy same thing and just paste it and remove the double quotations. Okay. So where it is coming from, this is the root AWS underscore VPC dot and so what is your local name? DevOps underscore VPC dot we need ID, right? Dot VPC ID. That's it. Same copy it and both are same only. Don't confuse here. Anyone any doubt here? Now I given copy paste hard coded. Now already VPC is available. Just I am getting that VPC ID only. That VPC ID. Now check it whether it will work or not. So AWS underscore correct on right ID. Now go to here. In this case, now anyone guess it? So how many added? How many changed? Added 0 or 1 or 2 like that. Terraform. Did I modified anything? Did I modified anything? Any new resource? Any new thing added or just
No.
now what is added 0 or 1 or 2, 3? I have one I have one VPC, two subnets. What
Zero
is
added. Zero added.
next changed? 0 added. Okay, changed. Changed also.
No, I think.
Now see here, no changes, sir. No
Okay.
changes, sir. See, I didn't modify anything. Just earlier I given a hard coding. Now directly I given how to call that VPC. So like this only we are calling our VPC. So AWS underscore VPC dot your local name dot your VPC ID. So wherever you want, directly we can call like this also. Wherever you want, we can call this, sir. Now, if you want to remove all these things, sir, if you want to remove all these things, so what is the command? If you want to remove manually, how we can do, guys? If you want to do this, we are selecting these two and we are going to delete, right? Now, got it. Suppose if you have 10, 15, how we are deleting, selecting and delete it, right? And if you want to select VPC, just select that VPC and going to delete. But if you want to destroy, only one command. But real time, don't use this one. Mostly, never ever use this one. Terraform. What is the command? Destroy.
Terraform
Destroy
destroy.
means now whatever we created, that everything it is removing only single star. That's it. Now see here, refreshing state, and see 0 to add, 0 to change, and 0 to destroy. So do you want to continue? If you give yes means it will going to destroy all three resources. If you don't want, just no only. If you don't want, just yes or no. Okay, I don't want, no. That's it. Strike cancellation. Now, a security group. So how to add security group? First, if you know manually, we can easily understand. So practically how it will work. So how to create security group? First, tell me manually. Next, we'll going to add same in the script. So go to here and so go to EC2, just click on this. So there is security group, right? Security group. If you want to create security group, so what are the fields? Now click on security group and create security group and it is asking, right? So just what is this security group name? And we need description also and we need VPC. Now got it. And also inbound rule and outbound rule. Anyone any doubt here? How to create security group manually? If you know manually, same thing we are going to apply. If you know manually, same thing we are going to apply. So what we are need to give? Suppose I am not giving anything, just I am going to create security group. See what is the mandatory fields? See here, security group name is mandatory, and the description also is mandatory, and VPC also mandatory. We are selecting VPC. We are selecting also VPC, under which VPC and all we can call it. And next, what we need to do? Inbound rule and outbound rule. We are allowing specific port number, right? So we are allowing some specific port number. Same thing we are going to implement in our Terraform script. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now how to here add it? Now go to here, add one more resource. Now if we have first time, right, go to here, just search AWS security group. Security group Terraform. Already everything see here AWS underscore security underscore group. That is the name. Okay. Now see here Terraform currently provides security groups with resource name and how it will work. Now this is the basic usage. See here resource and what is the name AWS underscore security group. We can give any name here and the name is mandatory, description also mandatory, and we are giving VPC and we are giving tag name. That's it. Now, so I am copying same thing, or else we can type manually. So add one more. But first time, if we have any errors, right? First time copy and paste, modify it. But try to type manually. Type manually. What is the name? AWS underscore security underscore group. And what is your group name? Your local name. Give any name. That is your wish. We can give any name. What is the name? DevOps underscore SG security group. I am giving a security group. Now, what are the fields mandatory, guys? What are the fields mandatory? Now, just now we saw, right? If we create manually, what are the fields? Security group name mandatory. Now, what is this? See here, security group name. See here, name equal to give any name. That is the security group name. name equal to, I am giving security group name, DevOps underscore security SG, DevOps underscore security group. Next, what we need description. We need description, right? So if you want to see here, description also mandatory. See here, description. We need to add that tag. See description. We can give any name. We can give any name. Just I'm copying paste, and so I'm allowing only 22 and also 8080. That is your wish. For which purpose we are giving security group? I am allowing 22 and 8080 port number. And so what we need remaining VPC, right? And VPC underscore ID. VPC underscore how to call VPC underscore ID. So how to call my VPC? Anyone tell me here how to call my VPC? AWS underscore VPC, already I called it, dot next DevOps underscore VPC dot ID. Now got it. Clear guys? I am calling my VPC. I am calling my VPC. I am calling my VPC. Okay. AWS. So what my VPC? What is my VPC? See AWS underscore VPC dot DevOps underscore VPC dot this ID I need. So that's it. Automatically it will call. So it is creating under this security group, under this VPC only. So security group is creating under this. Now how to add inbound rule and outbound rule. So manually how we are adding guys inbound rule and outbound rule. If you go here, so for example here I giving same name. Now go to here. So what is the name I given? Copy this one. I given this name. Okay. Now here description. We can give any description that is your wish. So where I am selecting this VPC, and so we need to allow inbound rule and outbound rule. If you want to allow inbound rule and here all traffic, right? Delete all traffic. Which we need to allow only. Which we need to allow. What I need to allow. Just see here. I need to allow only
22 only.
22 and 80. 22 means what is this? Which I need to select here.
SSH.
SSH. Where is SSH? 22 SSH. 22. Okay. Now we are selecting, right? Same. Now add one more and HTTP. Now got it. So we are selecting manually and we are allowing, right? So 8080. So HTTP 80. HTTPS. Just assume 8080, right? I need. So that is the reason. What is 80? Jenkins.
Custom TCP.
Custom we need to select, right? Custom TCP. Custom TCP. Madhvi. Custom TCP.
Port range we allowed 8080.
80. So same we are creating, right? Same we are creating, right? Okay. That's it. We are creating creator. Same thing I am going to add in script level. Okay. How to add in script level? Already VPC I given. Where is this? Already this is the security group name and description also allowed and VPC ID also allowed. Now, if you want to add, so inbound rule and outbound rule. So inbound rule means there is a ingress. We need to add one tag here. Same thing. Copy and paste it if you are first time, right? So like this, they are going to use. Where is that? See here, this is the egress. Egress means outbound rule. There is one more we can see. Inbound rule.
No. That is correct on latest model. Don't go with you go with ingress only.
Ingress only. I am going to ingress only. Okay. I am going to show ingress. Directly this is the ingress means inbound. Egress means there is two, right? Two options. There is two, right? Same rules how we can add it and all same thing. I am going to here and just add it. What is this? Ingress, and we need to add inbound rule. Which inbound rule we want to add? So this and all we need to remember. Practice. If you practice, this is nothing. Very simple only. So I am using so from underscore port number. From underscore port equal, which port number you want to allow, guys? I want to allow 22, right? I am giving 22. Next, two port also same, but there we are selecting a UI level, right? But you need to type like this is the syntax we need to follow. And also CA serial block. And what is the protocol we need to select? There I select TCP, right? Same way, protocol. We need to select so protocol TCP. What is TCP? And so we need to allow so range. What is the range IP address at CIDR block? CIDR underscore here not blocks, not black blacks. This is how we need to remember. So black. What is the black we need to allow? 0 dot double quotation, right? 0 dot 0 dot slash 0 double quotation, and that's it. Now I allowed also 22 port number. Now I need to allow same way one more. Whatever you want, we can allow. That's it. Suppose if you want to, this is the inbound or outbound rule. Ingress means inbound rule only. Just try it. Whether it is working fine. Next I will add one more. Select, save, Control S, save. That's it, guys. Name equal to security group name. We can give any name. That is your wish. Description. We can give any description. And so VPC, which we under which VPC you need to create. So this is my under my VPC only. I need to create my security group. That's it. Now go to here. Just Terraform plan. Now check it. Now see here, one going to add. Already everything available. We are going to add only security group. Now Terraform apply, hyphen AU auto hyphen approve. Every time it is asking a confirmation, right? Yes or no. So I don't want every time confirmation, auto hyphen approve. That's it. Now see here, creating security group. Now see here, one is added. Which one it is added, guys? VPC or subnets or security group? Now we can understand. AWS underscore security group is created. Completed 2 seconds. Now go to here, and so go to click on security groups. Now we can see your security group name. Now got it. I missed tag. If you want to add tag, what I need to do? Same story. Tags equal to name equal to your tag name. What is your tag name? Name equal to, so I am giving so DevOps underscore SG security group. Just I am giving Control S, save, and go to here. Just and run auto. Now changed one, not added, changed. Only tag name I updated, right? So it won't come added 0, changed one, and updated. See here, changed one. Now go to here, just refresh it. Just refresh it. Now got it, guys? Anyone any doubt here? Now click on this security group. Whether really it is allowed. What is the port number it is allowed? See here. Inbound rule. Which one added? Only 22, right? So only 22 allow. So like this, if you want to add, we can more also. Same. I need one more, right? So if you need one more means same copy and paste. Same. What I need to do? Copy and paste. And I need to allow, so for example, 80, and so I need to allow 80. That is your wish. That's it. Control S, save. Control S, save. And go to here. Just if you want to, we can run plan. Now check it. What is the plan? I modified, right? Now see here. Want to change, and so auto. Now see here. want to change. Now go to here, just refresh it. Go to here, just refresh it. Now this is the security group and click on security group. Now see here, what is the port number allowed? Anyone, any doubt here? So now if you want to go to outbound rule, what is your outbound rule? Click on inbound rule, click on outbound rules, edit outbound rules. Do you have anything here, guys? No, right? Outbound rule. Anything available here? No, right? So how to add outbound? Same. Go to script and so what I need to do? Not ingress, egress. Not ingress, egress. We need to add only egress. So already we seen, right? Same thing. So just we are copying and paste, just modify it. Or else go to here. Egress already somewhere they given, right? Egress. Just I'm copying this one. I'm modifying same thing. Okay. So just paste it. Egress. And what is the port number? I am allowing all port number. And so from port to port and so protocol and this and all so no need, this and all no need, already they added. Now remove this one. I'm going to, this is the two port, I'm allowing outbound all 00, everything I am allowing, just align it. Anyway it will work. So protocol -1, what is -1 guys? Here I given only specific, right? But here I given -1. Anyone guess it? What is -1? -1.
All traffic.
All
All traffic.
all traffic. I am allowing all traffic. That's it. So nothing. Very simple. From port 0 to port also I am giving. Protocol I am giving -1. I am allowing all. I am allowing all ports. That's it. Control S save. Control S save. And go to here. Go to here. Just check it. So Terraform plan. Terraform plan. So if you practice, this is nothing, very simple only. No need to worry. These all are very simple only. How to add. But we need to practice multiple times and we can add multiple tags also. So now changed one. Now that is see here. Security group modifying and completed 1 second. Go to here. Just go to here. Now just refresh it. Now earlier 0, right? Now click on. Now see here all traffic. I allowed all traffic. What is this? Allowed all traffic. Outbound only, right? So I allowed in the inbound I given only particular port numbers, but outbound anyway I allowed all traffic. I allowed all traffic. Now got it. So anyone any doubt here? Hello? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want to create one VPC. I want to create one EC2 instance. So now I'm going to create EC2 instance. How to create EC2 instance? If you want to create EC2 instance, how we are creating as same. If you know manually, that's it. So what are the mandatory? At least tell me what are the mandatory if you want to create EC2 instance. Mandatory.
Instance type.
At least mandatory, right? Apart from this, we don't want anything. So we need only mandatory things. What we need? One AMI, right? Without AMI, can I create instance?
AMI.
Without AMI,
No, sir.
can you create instance? No. Now, what we need next?
Instance type.
Okay. Mostly we are selecting so these two only, right? Remaining and all optional. So which so this is key pair. Okay, key pair also mandatory. Network by default anyway it will come default VPC and so default traffic it will come and default storage it will come. So at least if you want to create an instance, we need to select which operances, which AMI, and so what is the instance type, whether you want to micro, whether you want to medium and all, right? Got it. Clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now, how to create VPC? Just go to here, just check it. So, what is this? EC2, EC2 instance. Sorry, EC2. AW, just if you type means, so AWS underscore instance. So AWS underscore instance. If you go here, see here, providers and EC2 instance resource, this is allowed to create, update and delete instance, whatever you want to. So now these are the data they are using. I don't want like this. Directly I am using, so this one, resource tag. Directly I am using resource tag. See here, AMI is mandatory and instance type is mandatory. Remaining I don't want, later we'll see. Okay. At least just I want to create one instance. Now wherever you want, we can add it. That is our wish. We can add bottom, we can add top, anywhere. Resource, SOURC, resource, and what is the name? AWS underscore instance. AWS underscore, or else copy the same thing. Okay, just paste it here. Okay, so yes, here I am using so DevOps OPS underscore INS. We can give any name and AMI ID. What is AMI ID? This is not my AMI ID. Leave this one. I need to copy somewhere. How to copy AMI ID, guys? How to copy? Instance type. Which instance type you want? And so AMI ID. How to copy AMI ID? Anyone? So where is this is my AMI ID. How to copy AMI ID? Where is how to copy? You know, right? How to copy AMI? Amazon missile image. If you
In
select
right side
Linux
bottom software
and
image.
right side we can see right software image, under software image copy the same ID. Right now I am giving a hard coding. You don't worry. So later I will change it. Okay. Where is that? AMI ID. And so what is the instance type? Which instance type you want, guys? Here T2 micro. Which instance you want? Freetail. T2 micro.
Micro.
One CPU, 1 GB memory. That's enough. T2 micro. Where is that? T2. Now I don't want 3T. T2 micro. That's it. Same. Remaining and all. So optional we'll see later. And what is your tag name? Server name. So dev ops underscore instance. Just I given tag name also. That's it. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? This is a this is also one tag one black resource black. In this black, I am going to create my instance. Anyone any doubt here? If no doubt, let's run the command. Clear, guys? Only AMI, and so instance type. AMI is double quotation or single quote. Select here. So AMI. Anyway, if it is not accepting, I will change it. So this is the, I think we need double quotation. Okay, save and go to here. Now before that, before run command, let's check it. So where is my EC2? Do we have any EC2 running or not? See here, nothing is there, right? No instances. Now I'm going to create one instance. Terraform plan. Now check it. What is our plan? What is our plan? Want to add now Terraform apply hyphen auto approve. So you want to add creating. See here instance is creating instance. See here I added only two. One is I selected AMI, added only AMI, and I added only instance type. Remaining and all later I will add. Okay, just we'll see how it will work. Instance one added. Now go to our AWS. Just refresh it. Now 0, 0, right? Instance running 0, instance on 0, right? Just refresh it. Now check it here whether really instance is see here created, right? DevOps underscore instance. Now see here it is
Yes.
creating. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here how it is creating? So resource and AWS underscore instance, and we can give any name, and this is the tag name. This is the tag name. Whichever tag I given here, same tag it is coming here. Same tag is it coming here. Got it? Still anyone any doubt guys? Now here added, what are the resource I added? One VPC I created, one two subnets I created, one security group I created, one EC2 instance I created. So can I connect this instance now? Can I connect this instance now? Just guess it. How to connect?
Yes.
So usually if you want to connect instance, what you need? PM
Verify.
file, right? Now as of now I didn't assign any PM file. Just we are trying it. We know right there is one more option. Without PM file also how to connect our instance? I don't
EC2
have
connect.
PM file guys. I don't have that file. How to connect it? Click on this and there is option, right? Click on connect. How to connect?
Yes, connect.
Now directly we can connect with console level. So directly we can connect with the help of console. If we have PM file, now go to here and so instances, click on instance and go to connect, and we need to select SSH, and we are copying this one and we are connecting, right? But right now I don't have, what is this? Failure to connect instance, enable connect instance, ensure your instance network settings. Now tell me anyone. So I am trying to connect. This is one option if you want to. But for this instance, do we have any VPC and EC2 instance? For more, we need to do. We need to add something. Now try to understand, right? Ensure your instance network settings are configured correctly for EC2 instance to connect. First check it. What are the network and all it is connected. Instance was created, but check it. What is the networks? And go to here where it is created, and so network details. What is subnet? This is the subnet, and VPC EAC. This is the default VPC. This is default VPC default subnet, and it is created under South A1A only.
Yeah, just add key, it will work for you. Just add key, otherwise it won't work.
Sorry, key PM file.
Yeah, without key it won't work.
That's that. Just I am showing. So usually we are using so with the help of PM file we are connecting, right? So like just what is our target, whether it is created or not, that's it. I added only two. So next class I will show you how to add security group, how to add particular our VPC, how to add our subnet, where you want to create entire manual if you know. So this is with Terraform we can easily update. We can update. Now got it guys. Now anyway, now I'm going to destroy all resources. Finally, I don't want all these things. So what is the command? Terraform, only practice purpose, don't use in real time. Let's try. Okay, so that's it. I hope now you got understand, right? So what are this? How to add it and all? How to add ingress rule? How to add egress? This is a security group, and how to add multiple subnets, and how to create VPC, and just I created one instance also. One instance also. Next class we'll see continuation, and so how many instance you want and how to attach all these things and all. Clear guys? I hope you got some idea, right? Now go to here whether all are removing or just check it. Now destroying. What is the command? You need to give approve, right? Yes. Now see here, destroying one by one. So instance also destroying. Just refresh it. Now automatically shut down. Automatically it will go into terminate. Once shutdown is done, it will go to terminate. Now go to VPC, everything deleted. VPC. Click on VPC. I deleted VPC. I don't have my subnets also. That's it. See, 5 resources destroyed. So one instance, one VPC, one subnet, sorry, 2 subnets, one security group. Total count 5. Clear? One instance, one VPC, one security group, 2 subnets. Hello? Got it? Anyone, any doubt? So that's it from my side today. And if we have any doubt, we can ask, else we will connect tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see continuation, how to add some. Okay. So thanks everyone. Bye. We'll connect tomorrow.